What's going on, guys? Have you guys seen that DIY air horn trend all over TikTok and Instagram? I want to make it. Let's go out there and make it, all right? To make this possible, you need a PVC pipe, balloons, and tape. So I got the PVC pipe, the tape, and balloon. And then they also said to cut off a tiny piece. And nobody shows this process. It's a little okay. Tape it up. Y'all ready for this? You know what it is? Probably because it's not cut perfectly even. This could work. This could be better. Good. I should look back at that video, see what. Maybe it's too damn long. One more try. I'm gonna try it one more time with a brand new balloon, all right? I'm gonna try it again with a yellow balloon. I know the yellow isn't gonna make a difference. Take 3. Now that's better.